Welcome to Compare to Win. The best R-134a is probably one of the most essential refrigerants for keeping your car's air conditioning system running smoothly, especially during those sweltering summer months, and choosing the right one can make a significant difference in cooling performance and longevity, ensuring you stay comfortable on every drive. Number 5. Mountain 8205 R-134a Brass Manifold Gauge Set. Experience the best performance with its durable brass manifold body. This tool is designed for optimal results in your applications. Attaching and detaching is a breeze thanks to the automatic style couplers. Save time and effort with its user-friendly design. It includes a comprehensive set of 60 hoses in yellow, blue, and red. This provides flexibility for various needs. Specifically designed for R-134a refrigerant AC systems. Please note, it is not intended for use with R-12 or R-22 refrigerants. Keep your workspace organized with the included easy hang hook. It stays right where you need it for quick access. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of this product. What we like. This set offers superior performance with its brass manifold and easy-to-use automatic couplers. The generous hose length provides flexibility during AC service. If you're looking for a durable and user-friendly manifold gauge set for R-134a systems, this is a solid choice for DIYers and professionals alike. What people say. The R-134a worked great and the AC is blowing cold again. This R-134a product is a good value and easy to use. Number 4. Robinair 18192 R-134a Manual Replacement Coupler Set. This set is designed to connect your Robinair EnviroGuard hoses to the service ports on automotive R-134a AC systems. It ensures a secure and efficient connection every time. Featuring an integral safety sleeve, it protects against injury and refrigerant loss. This quick connect design provides peace of mind during use. Its compact design allows for easy access in crowded engine compartments. This makes working in tight quarters much more convenient. The 6-ball coupler design offers a more stable grip compared to standard 4-ball designs. You can rely on a secure fit for your automotive AC service. This set includes both the low-side and high-side manual couplers you need. It's a comprehensive solution for your R-134a AC system servicing. As genuine Robinair parts, these couplers are tested and validated by engineers. They ensure the proper operation and extended service life of your equipment. What we like. These manual couplers are designed for quick and secure connection to R-134a automotive AC systems. The integrated safety sleeve offers protection against refrigerant loss. If you need reliable replacement couplers that fit easily into tight engine bays and provide a stable grip, these are an excellent option. What people say. The R-134a worked great and was easy to use. This R-134a is a good product and I would recommend it to others. The R-134a was exactly what I needed and it arrived quickly. Number 3. Robinair 34788NI Premier R-134a AC Machine. Introducing the fully automatic AC machine. It recycles, evacuates, leak tests, and recharges automotive R-134a systems with unmatched efficiency. No tech monitoring or valve operation is needed. This unit features a programmable vacuum function, defaulting to 15 minutes but adjustable up to 99 minutes. The display conveniently shows the time remaining for your service. Perform an accurate vacuum leak test after evacuation. It informs you of potential leaks, eliminating guesswork about system integrity before recharging. It automatically drains oil during recovery and injects the precise amount of oil needed back into the system. This ensures proper lubrication for the AC system. Utilize the liquid refrigerant flushing function to clean AC systems or components. This prepares them for recharging without the need for harsh chemicals. The automatic refrigerant refill feature maintains a user-set amount of refrigerant internally. It signals when the supply tank needs changing, requiring no constant monitoring. This machine's refrigerant management system tracks usage and remaining filter life. You'll receive prompts when only 1/3 of the filter life remains, ensuring optimal performance. What we like. This machine automates the entire AC service process, from recovery to recharging, with exceptional efficiency. Its programmable features and automatic oil injection ensure precision and ease of use. If you're a professional shop looking to streamline R-134a AC service, maximize efficiency, and ensure accurate recharging, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. This R-134a is a direct replacement for the original refrigerant and works perfectly. The R-134a arrived quickly and was exactly as described, making the AC system blow cold again. I was able to recharge my car's AC system with this R-134a and it's been blowing cold air ever since. Number 2. ZeroR AC Refrigerant R-134a Replacement. Introducing a greener way to keep your car cool. This natural hydrocarbon gas offers excellent performance while being kind to the environment. Designed to work perfectly with your existing R-134a AC systems. Installation is straightforward, using the same tools you're already familiar with. Experience the power of a larger refrigerant charge in a compact can. Each unit delivers performance equivalent to 16 ounces of R-134a, offering great value. Engineered for safe usage, it carries a Class 2.1 rating. When used as intended in compatible systems, it provides reliable and safe cooling. This product is approved for use exclusively in R-134a systems, meeting EPA regulations. It ensures proper function and prevents the risk of mixing refrigerant types. What we like. This offers an environmentally conscious way to recharge your AC system, using a natural hydrocarbon gas. It's designed for easy installation with existing R-134a equipment and provides equivalent performance to larger R-134a cans. If you're seeking a greener, cost-effective, and user-friendly refrigerant replacement for your R-134a system, this is the product for you. What people say. The product works as expected. It is a good value for the money. I would recommend this product to others. Number 1. JOHNSEN'S 8939 R-134a Dispensing Valve. Introducing the JOHNSEN'S 8939, a professional dispensing valve designed for R-134a 12 ounces cans. It ensures compliance with California regulations. This valve features a large handle, making operation incredibly easy and comfortable. You'll appreciate the effortless control it provides. Designed with California regulations in mind, this dispensing valve meets all necessary compliance standards. Use it with confidence in CA. It is specifically made for use with R-134a 12 ounces cans. This ensures a perfect fit and reliable performance every time. Experience professional-grade quality with this dispensing valve. It's built for durability and efficient performance in demanding situations. What we like. This dispensing valve is specifically designed for R-134a 12 ounces cans and meets California compliance standards. Its large handle ensures effortless operation. If you need a reliable and legally compliant valve for dispensing R-134a refrigerant from standard cans, especially in California, this is the tool you'll want. What people say. The R-134a is a high-quality refrigerant that works effectively in automotive air conditioning systems. This product is easy to use and provides a reliable solution for recharging your car's AC. The R-134a is designed for optimal performance, ensuring a cool and comfortable cabin environment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.